Welcome to another demonstration. I'm pretty well known for PICKit. Let me zoom in on that, PICKitPlus. I will zoom in on the desktop there. I'm pretty well known for this. I've got attached here let me just see what it is. It's a PICKit2 attached into here. And I can sort of read that in, and it's reading the device in, blah, blah, blah. It's doing stuff. Well, whilst it's doing that, let's have a look at what's new. Go to my desktop, PKX, PICKit Extra. This is software for any Gen4, Generation 4 microcontroller from Microchip. So let's just minimize that in the background. I'm going to change over to my Gen 4 programmer. I've just changed over. I've just plugged in my board here. It's a Q10. We saw that from the PICKit2. It's a 47Q10. And I'm just going to read that in just to prove to you that it works. It's automatically selected a PICKit4, which is attached to my computer. It's loading in the configuration files, and it is going to read config, etc., etc. And then once it's completed, I can verify that. And if you can verify, you can write. Okay, it does all those things. It's just doing a verification on that, and it all looks good. So why don't I just unplug that, and we'll put in something a bit different. We'll put in a I'm going to have to look with a magnifying glass at what this chip is before I even try doing this, because I've randomly picked it up. It's a 18014, and I'm going to read that in. Just reloading the operating system. It's read it in. Look, it says too many EEPROM ROMs. That's interesting. Not quite sure what this one is here. Oh, it's the display that's limited. That's all. So I can look at the program memory, I can look at the EEPROM, I can look at the configuration for this, but essentially for a write operation, it's very simple. So I can just read things in very quickly. Why don't I just change to something that's even more difficult to program? Different chip family. This one is a 202, a 10F202. I will read that, and then I'll just write it out to you just to show it works. Notice the speed, no MPLAB X installed. This is a standalone installation of PICKit Extra. So it's exported that, and I can then write that back, and it will just write it. It will do the write, and it will do the verification. So if you've got a PICKit4 or any Gen 4 programmer, we have a solution without MPLAB X. I'm just going to unplug that, and I'm just going to plug it into another board here, and that board has a legacy chip in it, 886. Is it 886? I think that's an old legacy board. I'm just going to read that and make sure it works okay. Notice speed is good. User interface is familiar. This is Gen 1 software. It works extremely well. It's now written that out. I'm just going to write that back. You might not believe me. It's working. I wouldn't be demonstrating it if it didn't do its stuff. I can look at the program memory here, and I will just let me just it's got some data in here. Let me just think about how I can demonstrate it. If I just put some code in here, which will essentially break it. Let me think of a good way. We're actually writing it out now. Look, PICKit Extra, it works. If you'd like to try this, please contact us. It will be up on our website in the next few days. We are looking for beta testers. That beta test program will include buying a license for the software, which will be reasonably priced, of course, because we have to pay for the development costs. But essentially, we have a new product.